Good morning all of you. So yesterday I have completed all the topics of cost. Okay, now there are some numerical questions which are being asked, and this year also definitely they will give one numerical question. So the questions of this chapter are in the table format. Is it clear? Now if you open and these are very simple to calculate. Just you need to apply the formula of all the different types of the cost, and then you have to solve the questions, okay, in the table itself. Is it clear? Okay, now I'm going to do some of the questions. Okay, now before that, let me tell you, in your book, if you open your book, page number 149, then in this some of the solved numerical problems are given. Some of the solved. So what I want, that once you people will see this solved numerical problems, it is very easy to understand. Solved one. Then after this, when you open your book, just go forward, then if you go to page number 165, some of the unsolved questions are given. Those unsolved questions, okay, I'll solve one or two questions and I'll give you some of the homework, okay, so that you people will try and practice at home and will able to solve this question. Okay, now in page number 165, you see question number 1. 165, question number 1, numerical questions. Okay, question number 1. See the question number 1, all of you. The cost function of a firm is given below. So in the cost function, a table is given. In that, output is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And total cost is given. That is 60, 80, 100, 111 and 116. Fine. Then what is asked? Find total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost and marginal cost. Total 5 costs they have asked you to calculate. So let us solve this question in the blackboard so that you will be able to understand. So all of you write down this question in your copy. Now children, see question number 1. This is the question given. Okay, now I told you TC is given total cost, and they told you to calculate total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost and marginal cost. Is it clear now? So we'll just make a table. Alright, now TC is given, okay, and we know that TC and TFC are equal at 0 level of output. So at 0 level of output, what is your TC? 60. So what will be your TFC? Will also be 60. Very easy to get TFC because I have explained you, when I was explained you total fixed cost, total variable cost and total cost, then I told you that at 0 level of output, total cost and total fixed cost are same. So how we will get total fixed cost? At 0 level of output, total cost is given 60, means total cost is given 60, means total fixed cost will be 60. And if it is 60 in 0 level of output, it does not change with the change in output. So what will be your total fixed cost? Everywhere 60. So we got total fixed cost. Now we have to calculate total variable cost. What is the formula to calculate total variable cost? Is equal to TC minus TFC. TC minus TFC. Okay? Now, TC minus TFC. TC minus TFC. So here will be 0. 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. Then 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. Then 100 minus 60 is equal to 40. Then 111 minus 60 is equal to 111 minus 60 is equal to 51. Then 116 minus 60 is equal to 56 is equal to 56. So this is how we calculate TVC. This is how we calculate TVC. I hope you people have understood. Now we need to calculate AFC. What is the formula of AFC? We know the formula of AFC. AFC formula is TFC upon Q. TFC upon Q. Is it clear? What is TFC? 60. What is Q? Output. So 60 upon 0, first one will be dash, then 60 upon 1 will give you 60, then 60 upon 2 will give you 30, then 60 upon 3 will give you 20, and 60 upon 4. 60 upon 4 will give you 15. So this is your AFC. This is how we calculate AFC. Now we need to calculate ABC. ABC. What is the formula of ABC? TVC upon Q. TVC upon Q. Is it clear? Now, TVC is, first one will be dash, second 20 upon 1. 20 upon 1 will give you 20. Then 40 upon 2. 40 upon 2 will give you again 20. Then 51 upon 3. Upon 3. 51 upon 3 will be 17. And 50 upon 4. 50 upon 4 TVC. It is 56. 56 upon 4 will be 14. Is it clear? I hope you people are understanding. Now we need to do MC. MC is calculated from TC. What is the formula of MC? Delta TC upon delta Q. So we have to do nothing under this. First one will be dash. Second one will be 80 minus 60. 80 minus 60. Third one will be 100 minus 80. 100 minus 80. Fourth one will be 111 minus 100. Fifth one will be 116 minus 111. Is it clear? Now, what will be the answer? 20, 20, 11, 5. Here will be 20. Here also 20. There will be 11. There will be 5. This is how we will solve the questions based on the cost concept. Is it clear to all of you? I'll solve one more question today. Okay? All of you just write down this, and I have already told you whatever are the solved questions given in the book. Please see that and please try to solve those questions also by looking into the solution. It is not very difficult. This is the way we solve, and in the format of table only we solve the numerical questions based on the concept of cost. Is it clear? Note down this, all of you. Now, I'll solve question number 2, which is given in your book, all of you. Just see question number 2 in your book. What is the question number 2? In page number 165. Okay? In page number 165, see question number 2. What is given? Calculate TVC and MC at each given level of output, and the table is given. In the table, output is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and total cost again is given 40, 60, 78, 97, 124. It is given. Is it clear to all of you? Now, What we people need to do here, again, I have written this question in the blackboard and they have told to calculate TVC. TVC cannot be calculated without TFC. Then that means you have to calculate TFC. Then it is told to calculate marginal cost. Is it clear? Now see. So again it's very easy. What is easy? Because at 0 level of output your TC is 40, means TFC will be 40. It's 40. Is it clear to all of you? Now, further, after this, we need to calculate TVC. What is TVC? TC minus TFC. Okay? So means, first one will be 0, then 60 minus 40, then 78 minus 40, then 97 minus 40, then 124 minus 40. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now, so what will be your TC here? This one will be 20, 38, okay, and then 57 and 84 when you subtract. Now next you have to calculate MC. You have a TC. So 60 minus 40, first one will be always dash. At 0 it is always dash. Okay, then 60 minus 40, then 78 minus 60, then 97 minus 78, then 124 minus 97. Minus 97. Is it clear? So you will get 20 here, 18 here, and 19, and last one you will get 27. Is it clear? Fine. So 2 questions I have solved. Many solved questions are also given in your book, and these are basically based on the formula. Is it clear? Today I have solved, and even tomorrow again I'll upload tomorrow 2 videos. One video I'll do the revenue concept, okay, and one video some more little complicated questions are there that I will solve, at least 2, and remaining other questions I will just send in the attachment, solved one. All of you just see and you will be able to understand. These are based on the very simple calculation. You can do just today this, that solve all the questions which is given in page number 165 and 167. Okay, you people have to solve till question number 9. Till question number 9. If you are able to solve, then fine. Okay, if you are not able to solve, then please ask. Otherwise, I will send the solutions in the attachment based on the same method, the way I have solved 2 questions today, children. Okay, so I hope you people have understood. Now only revenue concept is left of this chapter. Okay, so that I am going to do in my next video. Thank you, children.